In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a QR code using Canva. Whether you're creating an eye-catching flyer, a business card, or a digital invitation, adding a QR code can enhance both the functionality and professionalism of your design. QR codes are a great way to connect your audience directly to a website, form, social media page, or any other online resource, making your design interactive. The process is simple, quick, and only takes a few minutes, even if you are new to Canva. First, log into your Canva account and open the design where you want to add the QR code. If you haven't created your design yet, take a few moments to set it up. Once your design is ready, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. Then click See All to access more options and scroll until you find the QR code feature. Clicking it brings up Canva's QR code generator interface, which allows you to link your design to any online destination. Next, copy the URL of the web page you want your QR code to direct to and paste it into the field in Canva. Make sure the URL is accurate because even a small mistake can make your QR code unusable. Click Generate QR code, and Canva will place it directly into your design space. From here, you can move the QR code, resize it, and place it wherever it fits best in your layout. This small addition makes your design more interactive, offering a convenient link for your audience to access additional information. You can use QR codes in many ways, from directing people to a registration page, an online portfolio, a special promotion, or your social media channels. Experiment with placement, size, and color adjustments to make the QR code fit seamlessly with your design aesthetic. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've added a fully functional QR code to your Canva project, integrating technology with creativity. This feature elevates your designs, making them both beautiful and practical. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I encourage you to explore different ways to use QR codes to increase interaction and engagement. Keep experimenting and have fun creating with Canva.